Welcome back to NLS Norwegian Language School, the podcast where we help you unlock opportunities through language and culture. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone looking to live and work in Norway: how to master the Norwegian Social Studies Test. Joining me is our resident expert on Norwegian courses.
This is such an important topic because passing the Norwegian Social Studies Test is a key requirement for those applying for permanent residence or citizenship in Norway.
Absolutely. But let's be honest, many people find this test intimidating. There's so much to learn about Norwegian history, society, laws, and values. Where do you even begin?
That's where NLS Norwegian Language School in Oslo comes in. They've designed a comprehensive Norwegian social studies course tailored specifically for test takers.
That sounds promising. What makes their course stand out?
First of all, it's incredibly thorough. The course covers all essential topics like Norway's welfare system, political structure, and cultural norms. Plus, it's aligned with the official curriculum, so you're not just studying randomly. You're focusing on exactly what you need to pass the test.
That's a relief. But what about those who are juggling jobs, family, or other commitments?
Great question, Emma. NLS offers flexible learning options. You can choose between in-person classes in Oslo or online sessions if you prefer studying from home. The schedules are adaptable, making it easy to fit into your routine.
I also heard that the teachers there are pretty amazing.
You heard right. The instructors at NLS are not only highly qualified, but also very supportive. They focus on making complex topics easy to understand. Plus, they offer tips and tricks for tackling the test's multiple choice format, which is super helpful.
And what about practice? Is there any hands-on learning?
Absolutely. The course includes practice tests and interactive exercises to help you get comfortable with the test structure. By the time you finish, you'll feel confident and well prepared.
That's incredible. For our listeners who might still be on the fence, why is now the best time to sign up?
Well, the earlier you start, the more prepared you'll be. Plus, spots in these courses tend to fill up quickly because they're so effective. And remember, the Norwegian Social Studies Test isn't just about passing, it's about understanding the country you're planning to call home.
So, listeners, if you're serious about acing the Norwegian Social Studies Test, head over to nlsnorwegian.no and sign up for their course today.
Yes, don't wait. Investing in this course is investing in your future in Norway.
That's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck with your Norwegian Social Studies journey. See you next time on NLS Norwegian Language School.